So the next thing that I want to do is I just want to look at some very common sets that we're going to use all the time. So actually I want you to remember the letters that we use to represent all of these sets. Okay. So the first one is the empty set. Okay. The empty set is the set that contains no elements, right? So there's kind of two ways that we write it. You see here this notation. You also see this notation here. Both of those are pretty common. I'll primarily be using this to denote the empty set. Okay. Now then we have the set of natural numbers, and the set of natural numbers is defined here. Is the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay. So these are the integers that are non-negative. That's another way of referring to this particular set. Okay. This is probably going to be our most common set. Okay. So be sure to kind of get used to that particular structure and know the name of it, n. Okay. And then we have the set z. And z is the set of integers. So the integers are 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, etc. Okay, so that's all of the integers, right? We'll occasionally need z plus. Z plus is the positive integers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and so on. In some books, the natural numbers are the set of positive integers. So it's 1, 2, 3, and so on. That's what they call natural numbers. So be careful, okay? You always have to check to see what notation the book is using. Will be consistent. The natural numbers in this class are going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we have the set of rationals. Okay. And notice the way we define the set of rationals. We say it's the set of p over q. P is an integer and q is a positive integer. That prevents something like division by 0. Okay. Now these rationals is positive or negative because p is an integer, so p could actually be minus 3. And minus 3 divided by a positive number is going to be a negative rational. Okay, so this is the set of rationals. You could also have like q plus, the set of positive rationals, q minus, the set of negative rationals, etc. Okay, finally we have the set of real numbers here, the set r. We'll rarely actually use r because we're doing discrete math, and in discrete math things like the rationals and the integers particularly just make a lot more sense.